Hello guys, welcome to another video of this course. In this video, we will be talking about color contrast. Applying color effectively is a skill that everyone who works with visual compositions must have. So, you as a UI designer need to know how to use colors in your projects. When it comes to applying colors, readability and legibility are the key factors. Researches have shown that vibrant colors enable enough of contrast, helping to increase readability and legibility. Please take into consideration that too much color contrast may cause difficulty in reading. I highly recommend that designers should create a mid-level of contrast, and for highlighting elements, they can use high contrasting colors. You can also use websites to provide you with a ratio when comparing two colors to see whether there is enough contrast or not. Looking at the right side of the screen, we can see examples of good color contrast and poor color contrast. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.